One of the nice things about our property is we have 10 acres and most of it's wooded, and I like going through my woods a little ways with my cats, and a couple of my dogs follow me, so I'm gonna go walk through the woods and have a little fun. You can see how pretty dense it is and just how lovely my little trail is. And there's one cat, that's Oreo. The rest of them are just hanging out with me, so let's go for a walk. Hi babies! There's Silver Bear, there's Oreo, there's Mika, and Oreo's showing off. Let's go girls, where are we going? Where's your sisters? Oh, there goes Silver Bear. Oh, there's Boots. Oh, there's Fluffy. All four of them are here. I don't know where Mama is. She's probably with the baby. The leaves are falling. Pretty soon it'll be pretty bare. It's about 6:30 in the evening and it's so nice out right now. It's so pretty. It's not all hot. And looks like we had a little bit of weather damage. I'll have to do some clearing eventually. Oh yeah, some limbs fell. A few limbs. I don't know if you can see them, but quite a few. We had some heavy winds not too long ago. Knocked that stuff down. My trails need to be cleaned a little. There's a trail that goes off that way. We have two that go this way. There's Oreo. There's Miss Fluffy. There she is. There she goes. We can go this way, but it's a little dense. Or we can go this way, so we'll go this way. And there's my Oreo plopping herself down. Girl, you're in the way. They'll just hang out with me. They're pretty fun. So. It's kind of where my trail ends, but I just make my way through the woods because I'm weird like that. We have a couple directions we can go. It's pretty dense, but it's not so bad. Anyways, thanks for coming on a walk with us. You can see how pretty it is outside. See my little show-off girl who likes to jump up in the trees. There's Mr. Boots. Mr. Boots. He's the one that looks the most like the mama. Thanks for coming on a walk with me and my babies. Until next time, have a great day. What's left? Bye. Thanks for watching. You guys are the best.